Instagram will start alerting parents if their teen repeatedly tries to search for terms related to suicide or self-harm within a short period of time. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to the channel. The alerts will be launched to parents who are enrolled in parental supervision on Instagram. The app already blocks users from searching for suicide and self-harm content, but these new alerts are to make sure parents are aware if their teen is searching these. Instagram says parents will receive the alert of the contact information they provided, along with an in-app notification. The notification will include resources designed to help parents approach conversations with their teens. Instagram is taking this step as Meta and other big tech companies are facing lawsuits that are holding social media apps accountable for harming teens. During one lawsuit, Instagram head Adam Mosseri was grilled by prosecutors on social media addiction case over the app's basic safety features like the nudity filter for private messages to teens. There's also a separate lawsuit in which Meta says that children who face stressful life events were less likely to keep their social media use appropriate. That's why Instagram is now taking steps to protect teens, although it said it will avoid sending these notifications unnecessarily as overuse could reduce their effect. Instagram says it analyzed search behavior and consulted suicide prevention experts to set an alert threshold required, and that's repeated searches in a short time. The alerts are rolling out in the US, UK, Australia, and Canada next week, and will be available in other regions later this year. In the future, Instagram will also launch notifications when a teen tries to engage with apps, AI, and conversations about suicide or self-harm. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.